Alright guys, here's the GoPro mount that we're talking about here. And if you look really closely, it's not completely symmetric. It's not round like the regular oxygen port. Also, you see the stem here is shorter on purpose, and that's so it doesn't trigger the oxygen release. But you see here there's 3 facets to it, 1, 2, 3, and then a side that's not faceted. And this longer side here needs to go up towards the release lever of the oxygen, which I'll show you right up here. Okay, so make sure that the release lever is kind of armed. And then if you look here, the longest part needs to go towards that release lever. Let's do it right here. Then you click it in, and it's solid. Okay. If you try it another way, any other way, it won't click in. So let's try it like that. It's not going to go in. Okay. It won't go in if it's 180 degrees. It'll just release and then come right out. Okay. So make sure the release lever is armed. The longest part right there goes towards the release lever, and then it locks right in. Then you'll screw on the little 1/4x20 nut. Can't do it one-handed, but you screw that on and then screw on the GoPro camera.